Oh.
To blow up yourself. It is to bust yourself doing your best to succeed in whatever you are doing. That is the ultimate jihad. Now look at it from this aspect. It is your own jihad. Alright?
Attempts to rescue parts of the test unhindered by waves or currents.
Oh.
The boarding tube rescues go smoothly. Now all that stands in her way is the full bronze medallion run, swim and run. A total of 600 metres in under 8 minutes.
Oh my god.
Oh.